Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair JBL Tune Flex with any iPhone or iPad. First of all, you need to input both earbuds inside this charging case and charge at least to the 50% thanks to this USB-C port. Next, just open this case and wait until left and the right earbud blinks blue. Just like that. It means that right now we are in the pairing mode, so we can simply go to the settings on our iOS device, go to the Bluetooth, next turn it on, and wait until our JBL Tune Flex pops on available devices list. I already paired them, so I just have to click on them once and I will be connected. Okay, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.